Hi, I'm Arushi Bora, a solutions engineer on the Cognitos team. I'm so excited to share our platform with you today and also walk you through why traditional RPA has fallen short and how Cognitos is leading the way for the next generation of hyper-automation. Cognitos was founded in 2020 by our founder Binny Gill with the vision to make automation accessible to everyone through a natural language platform. We are venture-backed and we are located in San Jose, California. Businesses have been automating for centuries to boost productivity, reduce costs, and reduce overhead. But now it's even more crucial than before to keep automation going and increase your automation as well. Gartner has predicted that by the end of 2026, the automation market will reach a revenue cap of $1.04 trillion. This highlights the potential for hyper-automation to grow and why traditional RPA will not be able to sustain this growth. Despite the hype, traditional automation has failed to deliver on its promise. It's slow, it's expensive, and it's extremely fragile. Companies end up spending $5 to $6 to maintain $1 of automation. This is not a sustainable way of growing automation. Companies soon need to find ways that are more effective and cost optimized. Now let's talk about Cognitos. Cognitos is a hyper-automation, AI-driven platform that is transforming how businesses deal with processes and automates end-to-end business processes. Cognitos is a next-generation solution that enables the users to create automations in natural language, which is English, and these are simple instructions. It helps you create processes that can self-maintain, can adapt, can learn, and grow, and also handle exceptions by its own over time. Now let's talk about our core capabilities, Trusted AI. This gives users and businesses a peace of mind as they're able to control the AI in terms of how they want to design it, how it wants to handle exceptions, and how the general guardrailing has to be done. It also gives you security in terms of your data and storage. Exception handling. We have a conversational exception handling feature which asks you what to do and gives you the steering wheel while dealing with our AI. And infinite scale, being a SaaS and API integration platform, it can rapidly grow and scale to different businesses. And it being natural language oriented, anyone can write a business process. You don't need a large team of RPA developers to maintain your processes anymore. Cognitos helps in operational efficiency. It deploys automations quickly. Instead of taking months to deploy automation, it now takes days. Resource optimization. Now that you do not need large team of RPA developers or people who write a certain kind of language to maintain this automation. Anyone who can write in English can maintain this automation. This also makes our process self-maintaining. Operational resiliency. Because our Cognitos platform learns from exceptions, it asks you questions and remembers that in the long run, it self-heals, which also reduces the disruption in your day-to-day businesses. And it has enhanced control and security. The trusted AI provides privacy and security for your automations as well as data.